What's up everybody, it's Tay Nelson, and in this video I'm going to talk about the perfect client. So what is the perfect client and what makes a perfect client? So I'm going to explain to you guys what the perfect client is. Now before I do that, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, help me get more oxygen to my lungs so I can keep giving you guys amazing content. Let's get started. So what is the perfect client? So is there any clients that are the perfect client? The real answer is no. There's no such thing as perfect, right? But I can show you something that's damn near close. And let's get right into it. So the car dealership industry, I'm going to explain to you why this is the best client to have as a social media marketing agency. Reason number one, they are already spending money on ads. Car dealerships already spend $2,000 to $6,000 to $10,000 to $20,000 plus per month, depending on the size. They're already spending money on ads. So you don't need to convince them that marketing is important. They already know. So that's the first reason. The second reason why car dealerships is the perfect client is because the profit margins are huge. Every time a vehicle is sold, car dealerships make between $2,000 and $4,000, which is huge, right? And they make these profits instantly. It's not like a dentist where a dentist makes thousands of dollars from their customers, but it happens over like a 2-year period. Car dealerships make thousands of dollars instantly. So if you don't know about the car buying process, when a person puts a down payment on the car, basically what they're doing is they're giving the money to the dealership, and the dealership's collecting the money on behalf of the bank, right? And then the bank cuts the check to the dealership. But what happened there is the bank bought the car from the dealership, right? So now when you purchase a car from the car dealership and you leave, you don't owe the dealership money, you owe the bank money, right? The bank owns the lien on the car, right? So the dealership gets paid from the bank way before you ever drive off the lot. So they make instant profits, and this is what makes them the perfect client. Reason number 3, most car dealership owners are very, very young. They're between 25 and 45 years old. That's important because the younger the client, the more willing they are to take a chance with social media because they understand the power of social media. Now, if you've dealt with any older clients, unfortunately, I'm not hating on the older crowd, but the older crowd, they're a little, stuck in their ways, right? They're stuck in the mud and they don't want to change fast, and they love doing things the old way, and they still think the radio works, right? Even though you can't even track, who's coming from the radio. So if that's not enough of a reason for you to pick younger clients, I don't know what is. Reason number 4, car dealerships are selling cars all year long. People will always need cars to get from point A to point B. So dealerships are evergreen. They can sell cars in the winter, spring, fall, and any other fucking season that you guys could think of that I can't think of right now. I've been up till 6 in the morning, so forgive me. Number 5, car dealerships have easy targeting. So if you're selling, wrestling shoes or, track shoes, that's not, the targeting isn't easy on that. Not everyone's interested in wrestling, and not everyone is interested in running shoes, right? But everyone needs a car, right? So literally I have a video on YouTube where I show, I generated, I can't remember, maybe 20 leads or 20 conversations for $60 without using any targeting. I didn't use any targeting. All I did was target a city, and that was it. No interest, none of that stuff. Literally just targeted a 15-mile radius in the city, and I generated, 20 leads for under $60, and we closed 5 of them. So the targeting is so easy. Don't believe me? I'll link the video in the description so you guys can check that video out. It's a short video, and I'll show you guys how easy it is to get results for car dealerships. And the last reason, I can't remember if I'm on 5 or reason 6, but we'll just call it the last reason. And the last reason why car dealerships are the perfect client is because usually 99% of the time, the owner works there, right? So if you know anything about landing clients, it's hard as fuck to get to the owners, right? The owner's somewhere in Hawaii, the owner's at a meeting, he's busy, he's on a field trip, right? It's hard to reach the owners, right? So with used car dealerships, the owner, 90% of the time he works there, right? So you could literally just walk in and almost guarantee that he's gonna be there. So these are my reasons why the car dealership are the perfect industry. And I'm not just saying this because I want you guys to buy my course. I do want you guys to buy my course, and I'm also saying this because it's true. It's very, very true. And if you don't believe me, let's argue in the comments. I love arguing. I love debating. It doesn't have to be angry. It doesn't have to have any malice. I love having debates. So if you guys disagree with me, hit me in the comments. Or if you're a scared little bitch, and you can message me and we can debate through the messenger, right? Just kidding. Don't take offense to this, guys. I love everybody. I hope you guys subscribe to this channel and like this channel. Smash this button. I just want to entertain you guys and give you guys good value and show you guys how to make money online. My name is Tay Nelson. I'll see you guys on the other side.